30-day trade setup for today. So we have bounced off a pretty big level, and let's just get this fine-tuned correctly. So you can see here there's a lot of support that was found here in the past. We've bounced around in it, we've bounced against it, come back, we've tested these levels as well, and we're still in this upward trend. So right now, as far as I'm concerned, this trend line here is the one that we need to get through. So you can see all these tails to the upside. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. If I just drop down to the 8 hour, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches still. And we start coming down to the levels that we want to trade, and you'll see a little bit more interaction there. Okay, so right now, I'm just going to use this level here. This area that we're in right now, you can see was used as resistance before, uses resistance, uses support, and now we're coming back to test it. So that to me is my line in the sand right now. Although I'm not looking for shorts, let's just get that straight, not until that swing low there gets taken out. That swing low gets taken out, I'll change my tune. That would be the trend line break. Okay, and that would get me looking for shorts. But until that happens, I am long, and I am still looking for this double bottom to play out. Okay, so looking at where we are now, you can see we are flirting with this level here, and this is a pretty big level here. The fact that we closed below it in the final hour of trading is always interesting, but that was on a Friday afternoon, pretty much low volumes as well. So 25,825, I'd like to see that level recaptured, and then I'd like to see support hold. And if that happens, that's going to give me an opportunity to start targeting these previous highs here. And look at that, we've just powered through that pretty impressively. Still got half an hour to go on the bar, but anyway. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking for longs. Okay, and I'm just going to add another line here because I think that is pretty important to view. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches on that. Okay, so yeah, I'm not looking for shorts, looking for longs, and right now this level that we're breaking through right now is what I'm looking for. So if I just come down to 5 minutes here, you'll see I'm looking for a breakthrough, looking for a rollover, come and test here, bounce around this level, something like that. Okay, and that's going to give me the opportunity to be long. Okay, even on the 15 minutes, you can see all these buyers stepping in here. That's the kind of price action I'm looking for, or even engulfing bar, inside bar, pin bar. Okay, those are the 3 price action structures that I'll look for, and that's pretty much what I'm after at the moment. Nothing really more to say about that. I think the key thing here is just to bear in mind that we are consolidating, granted. We're in a consolidation pattern here, but if this trend line here breaks, so we get a break of this trend line, a retest of this trend line, that's another opportunity for longs. Okay, and then your target is going to be these previous highs here. And I'm taking that first fractal, not bothering with these 2 fractals. That's the fractal I'm taking. And the other fractal that I will pay attention to is that one inside there. So those are the 2 levels. So it's 27,125 and 27,362. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for a long to target those areas, and obviously we'll come down during the European Open. I want 15-minute break of this, retest, come back, hold this level, start bouncing around this level, start making some higher lows, something like this. That's going to give me an opportunity to get in, and then watch this trend line. If we do get a break through the trend line, it would be interesting. But bear in mind, we can get a break like we got there. But that's why you always want to wait for the retest before you jump back in. So any long from here We'd have a trailing stop up, keep moving stop up to lock profit in. When we hit this level, possibly just take profit. See what price does. Price may come back, find some support somewhere down here. If you look to the left, you can see it would be a good area to find support. I get back in, let it get up there, move the stop up to break even, and wait for what happens at this level. So you always want to see a break like this, but then your retest needs to be successful. This retest failed. So it went straight back below the level, and then you had a retest in the opposite direction on the next bar. Okay, so what I'd be looking for is a breakthrough, retest, stay above the level, and then power on up to those levels. Okay, so that's pretty much the strategy for today on the Dow. Wait for the breakout, retest here, should be an opportunity to buy somewhere in this area. Watch these levels. This trend line is definitely an area to take profit on the first attempt. Wait for the pullback. If it finds structure, get back in for the long, and then stop to break even and see if we can get through on the second attempt. Okay, here we go. That's it for me today. I hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.